Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals. If this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Alright guys, I have a giveaway that's actually going on now. When I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway and I'm making a cute little journal. I'd like to give a shout out to Candace, Anita, Saward, Patty, and Lynn. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, today I was working with coffee dyed things. I was making coffee dyed envelopes, and I had these little sets that came, and I gessoed them, and then I was playing with some napkins, and I played with a little bit of gesso, and I just did all sorts of things. And I really like how these turned out. I think these are really sweet. So I have this stencil right here. It's very inexpensive. $2.99. I'm really not sure at all where I bought it, but not very expensive. And so I put it on with my finger like this. I laid this down, and then I put the gesso on my finger, and then I just pushed it in that way. And it seemed to work really well. I made, this one here, and then I put some of the napkin on top and kind of inked it. So I have not used the embroidery board on it yet. See, it's a little bit lumpy right there. But I thought they turned out really cute. So on these right here, what I did was I colored it with some ink and water that made these pretty colors here. That's how I did these. So I'm going to show you how I did that real quick. I might be disturbed. Things have gone a little wonky today. I've been trying to do a video since this morning. So let's see if I can at least get this finished so I can show you what I did. I'm just taking my ink, and it is fairly new ink pad. Oh my goodness, it's everywhere. And it's weathered wood. And let's see, I'm going to wipe this up before it gets on my shirt. Okay. Then let's see, let's use some milled lavender. Let's use a little bit of that right here. Okay. And then I have a little water in my bottle. We'll just put that on there like that. Then after I tea dyed it, I gessoed it. So that's what that looks like. I have not sanded it yet. So I'm just going to run it through this ink. Just like that. It is messy. I'll give you that. It is messy, but it really turns out quite beautiful once it dries. It does take a little while to dry, but it's quite beautiful. Very nice. Very nice indeed. All right, let me get this cleaned up. All right, so what I'm going to have to do is set this aside because it's way too damp to do anything with, and get one of these that I've done earlier. I think it's dry enough. And I think maybe we ought to sand it just a tad, not a lot, but just a little bit, just to smooth out the bumps that sometimes occurs with the gesso. This is just, I'm just having fun, you know, guys. There's no rhyme or reason to any of this. I'm just having fun with it. Kind of showing you my process of having fun. That's all I'm doing. So let's get some, let's see, let's stamp on here What color should we use? Should we use our gathered twigs? I think that might be nice. I just grabbed this little stamp here. I think it's real pretty. And let's see if we can get this on here and have a little play. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Isn't that lovely? Yes, it is. Let's do a little bit more. Let's go down this way. Oh my, I love that. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. I think that is beautiful. All right, let's see. What else can we do with this beauty? Okay, guys, should we go ahead and put a little napkin on it? I just don't know. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, that one's pretty right there. That one's very sweet. Let's do that. Let's open up our glue and our water combination. It's a little bit like half and half, approximately. The more water you add to it, the less shine it will have, as the shine of the glue. Now let's just put this down. Oh my, that is so pretty. That's beautiful, isn't it? That is absolutely breathtaking. All right, guys. So what else could we do to this? I just am thinking, like I said, I've been playing all day. We could add a little bit of the lace to it. That's very attractive, right down there like that. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's put some lace on it. So I'm going to use some of this Fabric Fusion. And I hear that there's air coming out, so it glues here in just a second. There it is. There's that glue. I don't want to take up too much room on this because I really like that stamp down below. So I'm just going to put it kind of low down on there. Oh, I'm loving it. It's sticky still. Everything about it's still sticky. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys. So I would go ahead and put a piece of Velcro, that half a circle of Velcro on here. And it might be really nice to go ahead and put a rosebud on here as well. A little something. I think it needs a little something. This is a totally different rosebud right here. I think. So if that goes closed like this, I think if we put it here, the flap's going to cover it up. Let's just put it at an angle. It's kind of different at an angle, but let's go ahead and do that. Let's just slip it in there, on there I mean. Just slip it on there. just like this. This is just going to be a short little video. Like I said, I've been trying to get to y'all all day long. And if one thing doesn't happen, something else does. And I just know that my husband's going to walk in that door here real soon. He's outside in his dog truck giving one of the Akitas a bath because he's going to a show this weekend. And I know he's going to be coming in with that Akita. So I'm trying to get this done before that door opens and all the dogs start barking. That is beautiful. Look at that, guys. I love it. I absolutely adore it. All right, guys. So was that one, and then I did this one earlier. They're really quite pretty. And I just want to thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.